Oh, Dad. They're everywhere.
Taxi, we need taxi.
Take you to beach. Taxi. No, thank you. No, thank you.
Oh, wow.
Get fucked up and walk.
All right, sounds good.
Japanese, my name is Tommy Bahama. I work right upstairs.
See it right there. See it right there.
Okay, see it, Brian?
Yep.
Bring it in, let's bring it in. Bring it in.
Oh. No fishy.
Was it a fish?
Yeah.
That's a big one.
I don't know if the camera's going or not, Brian.
You have to take a picture of you.
The glass, I'm gonna see shit.
Try not to fall overboard too.
Let me take one and then I'll move.
Thank you.
No, thank you.
There, smile, Brandon. Hold the fish towards me. Make it look bigger.
Yeah, perspective.
Yeah, is it video? It keeps going red like a video, Brian.
It's on video.
She uses it to video. She doesn't use it to take pictures.
I use
Okay.
it for video.
So you've been videoing this whole thing.
I told him to just use it.
You videoing this time, Bill?
Yep.
Oh, you had one.
Let's try it one more time.
If I fall in, the camera's going with me.
Let's see it then.
Keep going, Belly. All right, we gotta go. Cut the line.
Someone's trying to get that. Hurry up.
Something's running.
You saw it, right?
Yeah.
I saw a blue thing. Was that another
Like a shark or something.
Oh, Belle, let's see that. Nice.
Discus.
Good job. Nice. All right, let's get out of here.